Aimsio accounts can seamlessly transfer their employee timesheet hours to tickets using a process we call time to ticket. This approach is great for accounts that want to segregate their billing and job performance tracking from their payroll and time card capture. Employee hours are typically captured on an Aimsio timesheet. Timesheets can be completed via the web or by using our iOS or Android app. Timesheets will typically require both a closed and approved status before its hours can be transferred to a ticket. Timesheets with an open status are considered in progress and not eligible to have its hours transferred. To approve a timesheet, locate a timesheet with a status of closed, waiting for review. Timesheets can be approved individually by editing the timesheet and changing its review status from inside the form before saving. Timesheets can also be approved in bulk from any timesheet page by selecting all that apply, using a right-click action and changing the review status. Aimsio's Time to Ticket page can only be accessed by using Aimsio's web portal. First, navigate to the Time to Ticket page using Aimsio's left sidebar. Authorized users can transfer hours from both individual timesheets and crew timesheets at the same time, as long as they are all for the same day and the same job. Filters along the top of the page can be used to sort hours by date, job, and form type. Aimsio will typically surface non-billable hours, so they can be transferred too, but these rows can be hidden by unchecking this box. By default, hours for each employee on a timesheet are consolidated to a single row per day. If hours for the same employee have been split between multiple activities on a WBS schedule, checking the Bill Individual Phases checkbox will split these hours by each activity. To transfer hours to a ticket, select any rows for the same job and day. Right-click anywhere on the selection and choose Create Ticket. This action will start a new ticket form. Scroll down in the form to verify that the timesheets you've attached to the ticket are visible. Look for the individual timesheet and crew timesheet form tables. To pull hours onto the ticket, scroll down to the Billable Items section on the form. Locate the Update from Timesheets action and click Update. Aimsio will import all the selected hours to the form. Values on this form can be edited, but the original source timesheet will not change. This allows accounts to make adjustments to the way a client is billed without affecting the employee's payroll hours. If line items that have been pulled from a timesheet are removed from the ticket, those hours will remain in the Time to Ticket page once the form is saved, and can be transferred to a new ticket at another time. Once you've finished, click the Save and Submit button on the bottom right to create the ticket. Once timesheet hours are linked to a ticket, the ticket and timesheet remain separate entities. While it's generally discouraged, authorized users can edit an approved timesheet after its hours have been transferred to a ticket, but those changes will not carry over. Moving forward, edits will need to be made on both the timesheet and ticket separately. If new line items are added to a timesheet after its hours have been linked to a ticket, Aimsio will surface the new hours on the Time to Ticket page, but they cannot be added to an existing ticket. It is currently not possible to add timesheet hours to a previously created ticket. Authorized users would need to delete the initial ticket first. Once a ticket with linked timesheet hours is deleted, all of the previous hours will appear on the Time to Ticket page again. Previously linked hours can then be selected with any additional hours so that they can all appear on the same ticket. To learn more about Aimsio timesheets and tickets, be sure to visit our Help Center at support.aimsio.com.